Greetings, Hiten Parmar, Executive Director of the Electric Mission. I think South Africa is at a timeless opportunity to use the technology developments within battery technology and zero-emission vehicles to really leap forward the market from a domestic consumption perspective, but more importantly, production perspective. This is on producing zero-emission vehicles, which are battery electric and also fuel cell electric vehicles, but also developing the value chains from batteries and all components that go into these vehicles. We have a legacy automotive industry that has been in existence for over 100 years, and I think all stakeholders need to come to the party to really use this opportunity now that is looking at the global transitions towards zero-emission vehicles and using this opportunity to take South Africa forward in where the technology developments are unfolding.